stock option plan advisory and implementation, helping companies design, review, and implement tax-efficient stock option plans and equity compensation arrangements in Romania. At TaxIQ, we support companies, founders, HR teams, finance departments, and multinational groups with tax analysis, structuring, and implementation of stock option plans and other equity-based incentive plans. Whether you are considering a new stock option plan, adapting a global share plan for Romanian employees, reviewing the tax treatment of an existing plan, or training your internal teams, we provide practical guidance aligned with Romanian tax, payroll, and compliance requirements. Equity compensation plans can be powerful tools for employee engagement and long-term value creation. However, implementing and administering such plans often involves multiple stakeholders, including HR, finance, payroll, legal teams, and senior management. Companies frequently ask whether a stock option plan is the most appropriate incentive tool for their business. They also ask whether their share plans can benefit from favorable tax treatment under Romanian legislation. Companies want to know the payroll and tax reporting implications. They ask how a global equity plan should be adapted for Romanian employees and local legislation. TaxIQ supports companies throughout the entire life cycle of an equity compensation plan, from initial feasibility assessment through implementation and ongoing tax compliance. A Romanian company may want to introduce a stock option plan to improve employee retention. A multinational group might grant restricted stock units to Romanian employees and need clarity on local tax implications. A founder exploring alternatives to cash-based compensation may wish to introduce a long-term incentive plan. A CFO may want to assess the tax efficiency and potential risks associated with an existing equity compensation arrangement. An HR team may require practical guidance on communicating the value, mechanics, and tax implications of a share plan to employees. Our practical approach on stock option plans advisory helps internal teams gain the knowledge and confidence required to manage equity compensation arrangements effectively. A summary of our typical services includes feasibility analysis, tax review, design and implementation support, and adaptation of global plans for Romania. Before implementing any equity-based incentive arrangement, companies should determine whether a stock option plan is the right solution for their specific circumstances. We help organizations assess commercial, HR, tax and compliance implications and evaluate whether it supports their strategic objectives. Our feasibility analysis may include review of business objectives, assessment of target participants, preliminary tax analysis, and identification of implementation challenges and risks. The outcome is a practical roadmap that helps decision-makers understand whether a stock option plan is likely to deliver the desired results. Many organizations already operate stock option plans, RSUs, ESPPs, or share awards, but may be uncertain whether the existing structure remains compliant and tax efficient. We assist companies in reviewing Romanian tax treatment of existing plans and identifying potential areas of risk or improvement. Our review may cover tax treatment of grants and awards, tax and payroll reporting implications, cross-border considerations, documentation review, and tax audit preparedness. Where necessary, we provide practical recommendations to strengthen compliance and reduce tax risk from a Romanian perspective. A successful stock option plan requires more than tax analysis alone and must support reward strategy, governance, and business objectives. We assist companies throughout the design and implementation process, including plan structure selection, eligibility criteria, vesting and exercise conditions, tax analysis, stakeholder coordination, and rollout support. Our objective is to help organizations create incentive arrangements that are practical, effective, and aligned with long-term value creation.